Tariki 13 kiumia kihituku barabara-ini ya Kibwezi guthie Kitui niho ciana 6 ciagire na mutino kuria ciaguthirwo ni ngari muthemba wa Probox na iria yari na ihenya rikiruku na gucungiriria gikuo kiao
na Chakeli
ni igongona rihuirwo ni kieha mwena wa Kitui makiria kuri family imwe iria yuritwo ni ciana 3, ciana 2 ni cia nyumba imwe na family ingi imwe korwo ni mwana umwe. Atatu marari arutwo a thukuru wa muthingi wa Kyoyani na angi 3 a thukuru wa sekondari wa Kyoyani.
Mwalimu mkuu.
Kuringana na kamishona wa kaunti ya Kitui Kipchumba Ruto, barabara ya Kibwezi guthie Kitui kuri na kundu kugiaga mitino kaingi na gutiekiritwo rori, undu uria augite ni uracungiriria mitino mingi. Ndeto ire nyingi hinyirirwo ni seneta wa kaunti no Wambua Kio.
Hii barabara ni nzuri kuliko barabara zingine katika taifa letu. But the same road is becoming a killer road. Imechukua maisha ya watu wengi sana within Kitui. And we agreed yesterday tulikuja hapa. And before that we are going to put it in a security committee that the road is endangering people's life and something must be done.
Kutoka Mosa kwenda mpaka Athi, we have 11 black spots, but they have not been marked. Ni kuhimiza tu, and because the county commissioner is here, and I'll be taking up the matter with the Director General of Kenya, who are the owners of the road. At the very least, let us mark those black spots.
Ona kuri o thirikari ya kaunti no nyitaniri na honge itari cia githirikari yugite niguo kunyitirira family ici ni cigwakirwo nyumba.
They did an assessment yesterday and watawajengea nyumba za 2 rooms and water tanks, and I want to thank them in your presence kwa sababu walifanya jambo nzuri. Sisi kama watu hakuna kitu ambacho tunaweza kukifanya kuona hawa watoto tena, lakini kile ambacho tunaweza kufanya kama wanadamu ni kupunguza uchungu. Na nataka kusema thank you our partners in the NGO community. Thank you very much Mary for the support that you gave us. Thank you for the assessment that was done and the determination of hizo familia mbili ambazo waliona hawana hata mahali pa kuishi.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Waithĩra wa Andũ Ati.